Welcome to another Load Force product in focus. Let's take a look at our TA400 hydraulic trailer brake caliper. The TA400 caliper is a direct replacement for the Al-ko and Trojan Mark 7 models. Our caliper fits on disc rotors with the width of 13mm up to 16mm. You can see our Load Force TA400 has a quality cast finish that is made with precision machining. Other improvements include changing of the slide pins to a brass slide pin with a bolt that goes all the way up into the pin. Other brands of this model use a stainless steel slide pin which is prone to breaking off at the stud. The TA400 is also fitted with a billet stainless steel piston to eliminate the problem of phenolic plastic pistons swelling and seizing. All Load Force brake calipers come with a set of brake pads fitted, and there is a full range of spare parts available. Load Force products are sold Australia-wide at a growing number of trailer and auto stores and through Trailer Spares Direct.